Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech, and boy, have I got some interesting news for you. For those who've used Chromecast for Google TV before, you know how much of a great product you're getting for the price you pay. For under $40, it turns any TV into a smart TV, giving you the ability to stream video content from all the popular streaming services, play retro games, mobile games, watch live TV, and a lot more. The only downside is the limited storage space it provides. Regardless of if you've gotten the Chromecast HD or the Chromecast 4K, both models come with only 8 gigs of storage, which will run out super quick if you plan on installing any games. But not to worry, there's a quick and easy way to increase the storage, and I'll show you how it's done. To start, you'll need some type of USB-C hub, a thumb drive, and a power brick with enough output to power both the USB-C hub and the Chromecast. In most cases, the power brick that ships with your Chromecast won't have enough output to power both your hub and your Chromecast. But if you're able to get your hands on a power brick with at least 25 watts, then you might be able to scrape by with that. Alternatively, if you don't already have a power brick with sufficient output or a USB-C hub, you can use the link in my description to go and grab one for yourself. Anker makes an amazing hub that you can grab for a cheap price. Currently, it's on sale for under $35. So once you have your USB-C hub on hand, unplug the USB-C cable from your Chromecast and plug the hub into your Chromecast. Plug the power brick into the wall. Plug its USB-C cable in and plug the other end of the cable into your hub's power input. Next, connect your USB thumb drive into the hub. Now, on your TV, go into Settings, System, and Storage. From there, you'll see your thumb drive, and you can decide whether you want to keep it as a removable drive or format it and use it as device storage. Congratulations, you now have additional space to store games, ROMs, or APK files. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.